Buddy, how are you? Hello! I'm in another area. Can you believe it? We're not sitting in the craft room. I am down here because you're going to come over with me to my countertop and we're going to put together two different arrangements for Easter. And the containers are from the Dollar Tree and the florals are from Michael's and the Easter eggs are from the Dollar Tree. So let's get going. Meet me over at my counter. Hey guys, here we are and I want to show you what we'll be using. We'll be using this galvanized tin from the Dollar Tree. I think these are absolutely adorable for $1. I think so. Then what I use to lift things up, okay, to bring it up higher, is I use bags, just regular old bags. So we're going to use the galvanized bucket, some bags, forgive my voice, and this bunny I've had for a few years now. This was from, this was $3.99, I think, and I'm not sure. I think it was either Michael's or Joann's. But it's got like that green fuzzy moss or whatever it is. Carrots. And here are the carrots that I poured last year and painted from the plaster of Paris and just put them on a skewer. And we just have eggs from the Dollar Tree, some picks from the Dollar Tree, and some grass. Tulips were from Michael's and I just took them apart. I never put a whole bushel. When I'm doing things like this, I take them apart. And that's what we're going to use. So let's get started. We're going to get our bag. And the reason I'm using two is because he's a little bit heavy. So it's going to weigh it down. Then we're just going to use some of this grass to cover it. This grass is pretty. Set him down. Now you could use styrofoam. I'm not, because I don't have anything that really has to be anchored. Okay, so I have him about where I want him. He's not right in the middle, he's kind of off to the side. Now it's a matter of just positioning our tulips, or whatever flower you like or want. And I cut the stems down. And it's just a matter of eyeballing and the way you want it to look. I like the way that's falling over a little bit, but I'm weird. I think the sparkling ones add just enough with the plain eggs. I think they all look really cute together. Now it's just a matter of putting the eggs in, however many you want. I like this green one too. I think that's pretty. Where do I want you? I'll put you right there. Okay guys, that took me all of about 5 minutes to put together. So here's the first one. And we will be back in a minute to do our second one. Okay, so we're back and we're using this one that I got from the Dollar Tree. I am so impressed with their galvanized buckets. I really am. Okay, again, just plastic bags. Anything you got. If you have newspaper, whatever you have, it doesn't matter. You just want to raise up what you're doing so it doesn't sink down and you don't see it, right? Okay, now it's just a matter of putting in what we want. I love these tulips. They are so sweet. And although we're using basically the same stuff, it will have a different look. The only thing I changed really was the bunny. Now I'm just trying to get these the way that I want them. We're going to use one of my little bunny butts that I made a couple years ago. Aren't those so cute? So we're going to stick him right in there because he's going down in to find some carrots. And speaking of carrots, let's put a couple in there. Okay, now let's add a couple of eggs. Those little pads are so cute as feet. And there you go. Took me 3 minutes to put that, just about 3 to 4 minutes to put that all together. So I have the little bunny butt looking like he's going down for the carrots. Then we have some more of our eggs with the other carrots that I poured from the plaster of Paris last year. And then finishing it off with some tulips from Michael's and our galvanized bucket from Dollar Tree. Was very inexpensive to make, but I think is adorable. So guys, get to the Dollar Tree, get some eggs, make some bunny butts, or just buy some bunnies, and you have a very, very cute arrangement for a hostess gift to decorate your home, a teacher, whoever you decide to give it to. So remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.